G'day everybody, today here we are in the Cove Park and I'm hanging out with that guy. He's taking photos of the birds. Apparently he got this great lens from, I don't know, from Mate, and then it's Sigma 150 to 600 lens, and he's like testing and stuff and just hanging out with him. Hope you enjoy it.